Acima Leasing is a no-credit-needed lease-to-own program offered at over 3,000 retailers. For example, Ashley Furniture, Best Buy, Lowe's. It's not a loan. Acima buys the item and leases it to you, ideal for furniture, electronics, appliances, tires, or jewelry, with approvals up to $5,000 based on income and banking history, soft credit check, no score impact. Process: apply, online or in-store, takes 90 seconds. Provide ID, income proof, and bank details. Get approved, instant decision, 90% plus approved, even with bad no credit. Initial payment, $49 to $90 down plus first month's lease. Total $100 to $300 at signing. Lease terms: 12-month agreement with weekly, bi-weekly, monthly payments aligned to your payday. Total cost: 2 to 2.5 times retail price if full term. Early buyout: pay off in 90 days for cash price plus $25 to $79 fee, cheapest, or buy anytime after for reduced lump sum. Own it. After final payment, title transfers. Return anytime. No penalty, but lose payments made.